If you're having this issue in Substance Painter where you can see through part of your object that shouldn't be see-through, I have the solution for you in Blender. So if you exported this from Blender and it doesn't look right, there's an easy way to fix it. You just got to go back into Blender and fix your normals. So it's a normals issue. So what I need to do first off is I'm going to separate all my objects because right now they're all combined into one and I just want this part and this part, these two front parts. So I'm going to hit Tab on my keyboard, hit the letter A to select all, and under Mesh I'm going to separate by loose parts. So you may not have to do this. It really is a case-by-case situation, but this part is very important. So right now I'm going to switch back to object mode by hitting Tab, and I'm going to select the objects that I have the issue with. I'm going to do them one at a time. So right now I've got this one selected. This one is see-through. If you go back in, you can see it's that I'm having an issue with, that front part and then this part here. Okay, so once I have that selected, I'm going to hit Tab again. Then I'm going to hit A to select all. And then you're going to go to Mesh on the top left-hand side. And then you're going to go to Normals. And here we're going to flip. So you're going to select Flip. You won't see a change. You will see this little pop-up. That's good. That means it worked, or at least it activated. So that went through, but visually I'm not seeing a difference. It's okay. What we want to see the difference in is in Painter. So before I do anything else, I'm going to get the other piece. That's the issue. Remember, I need to be in edit mode, so I'm going to hit Tab. I'm going to hit A to select all. Then I'm going to go to Mesh, Normals, Flip. Okay, now I'm going to go back into object mode, select everything, hit Object and Join because I want it all going in together. Remember, I want one object, so I'm just going to export this as an FBX. File, Export, FBX. And I'm going to call it Post Flip. And then I just want my selected objects to be exported, so I have that checked off and hit Export. So your situation may be a little bit different from mine, but ultimately what you want to remember is you have to be in edit mode, Mesh, and then go to Normals and Flip. Okay, so now to see if this worked, we go back into Painter. This is what we had before. I'm going to go to File, New. I am going to select my Post Flip, FBX, Open, and then OK. I'm going to discard this. And there we go. It looks exactly as I wanted it to look. Perfect. Ready for texturing. So it was a normals issue. I needed to flip the normals, and now everything looks good. So I hope that this helped you guys. If it didn't, I have another video on how to do this from Maya to Substance Painter. And the issue for that one was I needed to freeze my transforms for the object. So it was a slightly different solution. I'm going to link that at the end of this one just in case that helps. And you can also freeze transforms in Blender. So it should work in Blender too. Give it a try. I really hope this helped you guys if you were having this issue. And give me a like and subscribe if it did. Thank you very much.